So my name is Eldee Whitstock. I work for a tech company and I do content management. So we bought this house in December of 2016, and when we moved in, there was hardwood floor in the entire house except for the laundry room, including the bathrooms. So we decided in early 2017 to replace the hardwood floors in the bathrooms with tile. And we had different people come out to give us bids, but Josh came out from Reynolds Renovations and he answered our questions, gave us options, and a really fair estimate. So we hired him and his company to put tile in our bathrooms and to replace what we had in the laundry room. In September of 2022, my husband and I didn't realize we had a leak behind the refrigerator, and it caused the hardwood floor to cup and get really bumpy. And so we called Reynolds Renovations, and Josh and his floor expert came out and determined that yes, it was a leak and that we should actually file a homeowner's insurance claim. So we did that, and Josh came out, gave us a really fair estimate of the work that needed to be done. Insurance approved the estimate. Josh and the team tore up the floor, gutted the island, the cabinets, the granite, all of that to replace the hardwood floor, stain it, rebuild the island, paint the cabinets, get new granite on. And in fact, because the rest of the house, except for the bathrooms, is hardwood floor, all of the floor had to be sanded and restained in the entire house. So it was a multi-week project that we did with Reynolds Renovations. On both projects that we worked with Josh from Reynolds Renovations, he is a really good listener. He always follows up on details, a really good communicator, and he prices everything very fairly. In terms of timelines, very realistic, and if anything needs to change or there are any issues, he's really good to talk with about anything that comes up, and really sets good expectations of what to expect, what's going to happen, how we need to prepare as the homeowners. So everything that he's done for us has been really top quality. His craftspeople that he works with are very professional and courteous, and also he cares about keeping a clean project site, which we really appreciate too. We feel really great about the outcome of both the tile installation, the kitchen renovation, and the new stain throughout the house. In fact, I like the stain color much better than what was here when we purchased the house. Josh has a really good eye for color and aesthetic, a real creative eye as far as how it would suit our house. We're really happy with the projects that we've worked with Josh. I prefer working with Reynolds Renovations over other contractors or vendors that we've worked with because there's usually project scope creep, hidden fees or costs, communication is not good, scheduling is not good, and it's just really great to work with a company that gives you good expectations, fair pricing, and delivers on what they promise. My husband and I are comfortable referring Josh and Reynolds Renovations to our friends and neighbors because Josh will tell you like it is. He'll be honest, give you good options, listen, and give you fair pricing. And he's really good to work with in terms of communication and expectations for a project. Also, it's really great to work with a local small business owner versus working with a big box store company or something like that.